Hi, this is Durga Prasad and my register number is VR15CS220. Today I am going to explain about my system software and compiler app experiment, that is intermediate code generation. So my aim is to write a program to convert the given arithmetic expression into three address codes. So description is like the compilation process can be divided into a number of subtasks called phases, and intermediate code generation is one of the phases of the compiler. So once the syntactic constructs are determined, the compiler can generate object code for each construct. But the uh, compiler can create an intermediate form. It helps in code optimization and also to make a clear-cut separation between machine independent phases and machine dependent phases. So one form of the intermediate code is a parse tree. A parse tree may contain variables as terminal nodes. A binary operator will having the left and right branches from operand 1 and operand 2. So another form of intermediate code is tree address code. It has got a general structure of A equal to B or C, BOPC. So where A, B, C can be names, constants, temporary names, etc. So OP can be any operator, for example, like a plus, minus, star, anything. And postfix notation is yet another form of the intermediary code. So how to achieve this? So algorithm is like get an expression as an input, and after that scan the statement from left to right, frame a new statements such that it performs one operation at a time, each assignment or arithmetic relation operations. So display the new set of statements. For example, the input is like a plus b minus c minus d. So here at a time only one operation have to be done, so like that we need to separate a few like a frame new statements. So first statements like a plus b, and after that whatever the data comes from like t1 minus c, next t2 minus d. So like that new statements have to be framed in order to get only one operation for one line. So classes and all these things. So whatever the data that will be get it by using this thing. Data will be like first input. We need to get the scan the input from the user. So using that process for loop, you get the data from sorry, expression is in dot read line. So whatever the data I enter, that will be get by using this function, and after the function is get, it have to be counted. Like total precedence have to be counted. So after the precedence is found, uh, operators have to be like, for example, like any operator or precedence, and after previous and next letter have to be concatenated with that operator in order to get the meaningful expressions. And once an operation is done for a single line, we need to go for another line like another line like T1 or T2 in order to get the use of the second operator. And after that you need to, if after the data is done, you need to print it. So printing will be done by using this thing. So when we run it, we can understand that. So here it is. So a plus b minus c plus d. So a plus b is divided to first term, and after that whatever that comes from first term minus c, and then the second term plus c. So this is how we can implement the intermediate code generation, which is a part of the compiler phases, and which after like pass tree and all things, intermediate code generation is one of the phases. So we can implement this by using Java in this method. Thank you.